मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम.
A very warm Independence Day to all of you here. We know that we are celebrating the 80th independence of our dear country. This function of Independence Day is being done regularly in our schools, in other institutions also, in the whole country. The country that stretches right from the foot of the Himalayas up to the Indian Ocean, and from Assam to Gujarat, a big, large country with the largest population in the world, the biggest democracy in the world. India as a country, after independence, has been regularly growing stronger as a country, economically, and in all fields where we now rank among the first few countries in the world. We as the citizens and you as the future citizens of this country have a big role to play. So thank you so much, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you once again. Thank you.
May I now request our respected PTI, Shaheen Sir and Nishant Sir, to kindly escort our Honorable Chairman Sir as he leaves the stage. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your inspiring and thought-provoking words. We now move ahead with the program and invite a respected member of our institution to address the gathering. It is my privilege to invite our Honorable HM Non-Academics, Sanova Ma'am, to kindly address the audience.
Good morning to all of you, respected Chairman Sir, esteemed teachers, dear students, and dear parents. A very warm Independence Day to all of you. There is something remarkable about 15th August. It is not just a date in our history. It is a reminder that a nation can change its destiny. when people believe strongly enough in a better tomorrow. 80 years later, the question before us is no longer how did we win the independence. The more important question is how well are we using it. We live in an India that is young, ambitious, and technologically powerful. Artificial intelligence is transforming education. Digital innovation is transforming society. And our aspirations are reaching far beyond boundaries. But in this race towards becoming smarter, we must never forget to become wiser. Because education without values is information. Technology without responsibility is merely power. And freedom without responsibility is incomplete. The freedom fighters gave us a free India. The India we built from the freedom is our collective legacy.
Good morning everyone. I am Yash Kumar from class 2B and I am Panchi Yadav from class 2A. We are your anchor for today's program. And now we move from the language of movement to the language of words. We invite Samyak Srestha to share his true and English speech. Please welcome him with a big round of applause. Good morning to our respected chairman, sir, principal, sir, HMs, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Samyak, student of class 2A, is going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. We remember and thank our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others who sacrificed their life for our country. Our national flag, the Tiranga, fills us with pride. We should always respect our flag, our national anthem and our country. Let us all promise to make our country proud with our good deeds. Thank you, Jai Hind. Thank you, Samyak, for those thoughtful words. And a very happy Independence Day to all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
19वीं शताब्दी भारत में नमक बनाने या उसे बेचने पर सॉल्ट टैक्स रूल के तहत पाबंदी लगा दी गई। अब भारतीयों के लिए अपनी ही धरती पर अपने ही खाने का नमक अंग्रेजों से खरीदना मजबूरी बन गया।
To all the Indians, here is the order. Salt tax rule की वजह से ना कोई salt produce कर सकता है और ना ही बेच सकता है।
अपने हक के लिए और अपने नमक के लिए अपनी लाठी और अपने 78 साथी के साथ निकल पड़े महात्मा गांधी साबरमती आश्रम से एक सत्याग्रह पर, जिसे इतिहास ने नाम दिया दांडी मार्च।
A very patriotic morning to our distinguished HM, respected teachers and our dear audience. As we gather today under the open sky beneath the tricolor, our heart swells with immense pride and gratitude on this historic date of 15th August. Today, we all have gathered here for our beloved motherland to celebrate India's Independence Day. It was on 15th August 1947 that India broke the shackles of nearly 2 centuries of British colonial rule and stepped into the light of freedom as a democratic nation. Our freedom was established through a unique duality in the history.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापक, योग्य शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आज 15 अगस्त के इस पावन और गौरवमय अवसर पर हम सब यहाँ अपने देश का 80वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। सबसे पहले आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। 15 अगस्त 1947 का यह दिन हमारे भारतीय इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में दर्ज किया गया है। इस दिन हमारा देश अंग्रेजी शासन के 200 वर्षों की गुलामी की जंजीरों को तोड़कर आजाद हुआ है।
My name is Amina Sain and I am Rani Lakshmibai. And I am Begum Hazrat Mahal.
ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को चूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले।
हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है,